The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. Today we're going to talk about millennial co-parenting in a platonic relationship or after a divorce. And specifically, we're going to be talking about the importance of a written agreement between the parents and what needs to be included in that agreement. So millennial parents are more and more frequently moving away from the nuclear family structure that is traditional towards a platonic, non-romantic parental relationship. And this might be because the parents got divorced, or it might be because they had a child out of wedlock and are no longer romantically entangled, or it might be because they're just friends and want to raise a child together. Either way, it's important that you lay out in a written agreement how this relationship is going to work in the long term and make that agreement as specific as possible. We normally think of this in the context of a divorce. There's something called a joint parenting agreement that lays out parenting time and responsibility. In Illinois made its law a little bit more modern in 2016 and got rid of the idea of custody versus visitation, and now it talks in terms of parenting time and responsibility. The courts talk in those terms. And what that means is that someone's no longer awarded sole custody or joint custody. What happens is parenting time is a spectrum, and parents might have more or less parenting time, but the idea is the court didn't want there to be a winner and a loser, and the reason they didn't want this was they wanted to cut down on the amount of fighting and tension that revolved around custody battles, and they wanted to really more focus on the best interest of the child and the way that the parents could best work together to give the child the best life possible. In addition to parenting time, they brought in the concept of parenting responsibility, and there's 4 categories of decision making that the parents can agree to divide up between each other or make jointly. And those are educational, medical, extracurricular, and religious decisions. And if one parent is a doctor, everyone might agree that parent's in charge of the medical decision making. And if another parent